Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Can anyone hear me clearly? Hi, Reza. I'm doing good. I don't know how to pronounce your name. If I'm going to call you Anthony or Reza. I'm doing good. I hope you guys can hear me clearly, all right? Um, let's just wait for a couple more minutes for anyone to join us, okay? My voice, okay. Let me change. Can anyone hear me clearly now? Better? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think just now I was putting a mic away. Okay, hi. Welcome, BL. How is your guy doing so far? Good. I'm doing good too. Did you guys try my scalping strategies? I think I thought you guys last webinars. Anyone try to use EMA? I try and lose. Do you follow the rules? Okay. Okay, for the Fibonacci, it's work very well, right? I think. Yeah. Okay, if you want to use for scalping strategy EMA, you need to wait for the H1 to close and then you enter as M1. If you use M5, you just need for the price to pull back. That's good to hear. Yeah. Yeah, so today's strategy is more to day trading. So day trading today, I will cover more on H4 and then you can use as H1 as well. And then I will combine with, Fibonacci. So today you guys will see how I draw the Fibo with combine with Fibonacci confluent today. Yeah, and then after that you might need to like zoom in to M15 to find a sharp entry. Okay, we can work that together later. Yeah. Okay. I will wait for 1 more minute for anyone to join. Okay, and then we will start at like, okay, we can start now. Okay. Hi everyone. Thank you for tuning in today. So today webinar, I'm going to cover day trading. Okay, just I think last topic I was teaching you guys about scalping. I hope someone of you might already try my scalping strategies, but if you think that scalping is not your type of trading, and then today we'll cover day trading. Okay, so going to kind of like look for higher time frame like H4 and H1, and then we will find a sharp entry at either M5 or M15. Okay, and along the way, if you have any question, you can just ask me anytime you want. I will try to answer your question as much as possible. Okay, again, disclaimer guys, so any information in this video does not contain and should not be construed as contain investment advice. If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence. All right, and risk warning, and you guys already know CFD are really complex and it's very high risk high return because of the leverage. Like I say, you want to trade, please do your own due diligence and do more study, and you know why you want to place the trade. Okay, about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm a trade investment analyst at Ever Fortune Group, and about myself, I do prop trading as well. This is some of the certificate that I have passed. Actually, I just passed another prop firm recently, like 2 weeks ago, but I did not put in this slide, but I think that's already enough to show you guys, like, you know, 4 of them. Okay, so the agenda for today, I'm going to cover what is day trading, and second is a key new event, and the third one referencing the higher time frame, which is I will bring you guys to the chart later, and which time frame should you use for the day trading. And the fifth one, identify momentum, which is I think on the this one I will refer to using indicator, which is I use Ichimoku Cloud to help me to identify trend. Okay, and then six, which is the last topic, going about taking the trade, which is I will bring you guys to the chart as well. Okay, you guys already know what is day trading. Like I say, we enter the trade and close the trade within a day. We're not going to you know, bring the trade like to the next day. Usually you just within the day. Secondly, it's more to rely on a technical analysis, which is, you know, you look at the price action and indicator rather than fundamental analysis, which is usually I only use the news when I see that, you know, if that is you know, where measures are new on the day. If there is a major news, usually I will wait for the news to release first, and then I will put my trade after the new release. Okay, and typically you trade, you look for the H1 and actually H4 time frame, and you do top down analysis. You do H4, H1, and then sometimes I go to M15 just to find a sharp entry. Like, you know, sometimes you know that you draw support resistance in higher time frame, and then you don't know whether you want to enter at the H4 time frame, but usually I will go to lower time frame to you know, find the entry, which it we will I will show you guys later. And the fourth one, which is accumulation of small profit. Okay, sometimes, you know, you might capping the loss on the unprofitable trade. Okay, and then focus on the smaller price movement. Okay, let's work together. Okay, this is the chart. Okay, usually I think you guys already know how we draw support resistance, right? For example, this is should be higher time frame, and you know that this is a EU. Okay, how you draw the support resistance, which is this is we call from here to here. You know that price already break your support and become your resistance over here. I don't know why my mouse is not working here. Resistance. After they break the resistance, this become your overlap support, right? This is the one. This is, should be your first support, and this is your second support, and this is your to be your resistance. Break above, actually this one become your support already. So this is your first support, second support, and this is your last support. Okay, and you can see that price, your support, your resistance. Oh, your resistance, break above, price touches, become your overlap support. Now resistance, break below, from here, go up here, resistance break above become your overlap support. Okay, I guess you guys already know how to draw support and resistance, right? Okay, key event for the news. Usually I only use Forex Factory just to kind of like, you know, look for if there is any like major event. For example, let's say if I trade USD pair, either GBP USD or EUR USD, I will look for the USD news. For example, like Wednesday here, you can see that there is a major pair for the new for the GBP USD. So this one, I look out for this. And the key measure like tomorrow, okay, we have CPI for USD. So if you trade gold, you need to look for the news event, okay? Only you focusing on the last box, which is, I think that's have a major impact for the USD pair, okay? So this is the website that you look. Usually I only look for one, which is Forex Factory only, okay? Reference to the higher time frame. Okay, let me go to the chart here. For example, this is okay. I will put the watermark so you guys know which pair I'm talking about. So for example here, you know this is my trend line, okay, my trend line, and you know that price already break above, okay. So how to find the sharp entry? You mark this one. You know that you when the price is go here around this like break above already, right? This one, okay, when it break above, you just do your TA, you just change to your yeah, we change already because this one used to be descending trend line. It's break above, we change to the green color. Okay, head 4, you go to M15, okay, either M15 or M30, either one, but usually I go to M15. Okay, you know that when the price is break above here, okay, you will enter for the M15. Price break above, I remove this one, this one, price break above, you wait for the price, okay, from here pull back and then you buy. Okay, you can see right here. That's why you will enter at this price, which is this one, because we reference as a H4 time frame, which is when you go to H4 time frame, okay, this is, you know, that price is already break above, okay, then you want to wait for price to come back to the trend line, which is here, okay, okay, then you buy from this candle. You guys cannot see my screen? Oh no. Sorry, what do you guys see just now? I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, now you guys can see. So I'm so sorry about that. Okay. Okay. Let's just go to H4. Okay. Okay. Like here. Okay, let me remove. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, you know that when you do TA or technical analysis, you draw your trend line here. This one used to be your ascending trend line, right? In H4. Like before this, you know that price could not break above the trend line, okay, and after that, if you look for the H4, you know that price is already break above, but how to find the sharp entry? Okay, like around this one, okay, this one, okay, you go to M15, okay. When you go to the M15, you know that price is break above. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, you wait for the price. Is this cannot break above? You wait for price to pull back around here, and then you buy. So from this entry M15, you will buy as this candle, which is this the one. Okay, okay, this the one. Okay, guys, and then this is your H4 time frame. Okay, this is the one, and then price all the way up here, all the way up. So now we at H4 time frame. If you were to draw support resistance, okay, you will know that this is the, let me see. Okay, if I were to zoom in here, H4, this is, okay, let me zoom in to HM 30. Okay, if you want to see like this, right, you may put this one, this is the area you may consider to sell from this level. Okay, but let me, I think I'm gonna put here, let me see. Okay, I think now they are using this level here. For example, here, you see, if you were to draw, okay, from here in H1, you will get a sharp entry like this. Let me go. Okay, if you were to look at H4, you know that this is one of like supply zone, okay, which is we call like hidden base, like, you know, hidden base here. You were to zoom out, sorry, zoom in M30, and you were to zoom, and then you move. Okay, this is the zone. You can see that this M30, you will get a sharp entry at this level if you were to draw. Like here. Okay, M30. Okay, and then that when the price touches, then it's all the way down here. Because if you were to look at H4, you know that, okay, how to find the entry. Okay, and then you may draw, you were to draw like Fibo. Okay, 78.6 is already go above, right? And then some of you may use like 88.6%. Okay, so 88.6%, but I use this level sometimes. Okay, if there is the price movement around here. Okay, when you were to zoom in H4, you know that this is base, right? Drop base dot here, or a hidden you can call supply zone here. Okay, if you were to draw like this is your zone in H4, but you want to get a sharp entry, you just have to go like to the lower time frame, and then you move to a left. You will see any supply zone or demand zone or any price action around there. When you zoom in like this, H1, you did not see anything, right? You go to M30. Okay, and then you have to move. Like if you want to get a sharp entry, right, you will see that this is the, I slowly move for you. Okay, this is a zone that I will highlight, which is this the one. Why I like highlight here? Because I want to get a sharp entry. Okay, M30. Okay, you will see that this is some bearish candle here. Okay, this one. Okay, so you highlight from this wick to the body, only to the body for supply zone, right? You highlight like this. So when price come to this the small box here, then you're going to sell. Okay, this is how you find the sharp entry. Let me go to okay, here. Okay, this our at M30. Okay, price from here touches around, okay, 1.1027, and then all the way down to here. That's quite a peep here. Okay, from here to here, I think you might want to quote the trade. Okay, it's quite a lot also. This is how you find the entry. Okay, then now you zoom out in H4, you will see like this. But if you zoom in M30, you will find a sharp entry at the lower time frame. You guys cannot hear me? Can the video is lagging, or because of your internet connection? So far the voice is too soft, too slow, or it's lagging. Sometimes your video is lagging. It maybe because of your internet connection. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is the one. Okay, and let me see the, okay, and we find another example here for this pair. Okay, actually this is my entry. Okay, so this is my support for today. Okay, we are currently at the chart, right? This is my entry here. I put at the wick. Sometimes if you do your TA, you may put like at the body, but I like to highlight the zone, because if you highlight the zone here, you know that this is like from your body to the wick, and then you change to your green box here. Okay, if you were to draw from like only the body, you know that price already break through. Okay, but if you were to draw from the wick, but usually I'll put at the wick, depend. Okay, if you were to at the wick or the body, doesn't matter, you just draw the zone. Okay, like here. Okay, you have to see like that. You know that price is like maybe clear the Excel, I'm not sure, but you go to the lower time frame, you see. Okay, to me, I go to M5. Okay, I did not enter when the price at this level, because I see the price is still keep coming down. Like if I were to look at this candle here, even though price is at our support, right? But you can see the price is still like keep making down. So I wait. Okay, so to here, actually I started to see that price is cannot go through this level, like this one. Okay, so I enter at this candle, this one. Okay, because when if you were to wait at M5, you know that this candle go up. Then I was thinking like, okay, maybe this candle is a price action, like this candle. Okay, like this candle, you may enter here, but then price go up, and then after that I hope that price still can like maybe can go all the way up, like from here to here, like you can see all to here, right? But did not. Okay, and then after that, price is still coming down and then coming up, and then okay, once price is, you know, make a bullish, another engulfing bullish engulfing candle, which is this one. Okay, and then after that I see price is going down. Actually I enter at this because I saw that this already bullish engulfing. Okay, after that I still hold my trade though. Okay, my entry already blue. Okay, so I wait at this level and then price still can going up now. So sometimes you can just go all the way down. You just want to see how the price react or price movement in the smaller time frame. Like from here you can see that, right? If you were to draw this the line like this, like at the wick, you know that price could not go through this. Let's say if you want to, like, you know, play the bigger lot, for example, you know that price could not go through like this wick, right? Usually if I want to put a bigger lot, my entry is here, the bigger lot, and then my SL is just below this wick, which is, it's very tight, like just this one, usually just below this. Okay, and then I just hold. Okay, sometimes you have to leave the candle stick, how it's react. This is, for example, how I find the entry for this pair. Even though, you know, price is all the way down, I did not enter when the price come to my zone. Okay, then just another one. If you look at ISI for the price momentum, you know that this is already oversold. Okay, you I think I already teach you guys how to use RSI, right? Another RSI strategy, not RSI, sorry, stochastic. Okay. Okay, let me use. Okay, I use RSI to find my divergent. If there is no divergent, I leave it like that. But I use the stochastic strategies just to see whether it's a price is either overbought or oversold. This is the level, and then I just put somewhere here. I change to the okay, just like this, right? And then you can see in H4, price is already oversold. I look, okay, and even though in H1, okay, price also, and then in the past, price usually reverse from this level, okay, and then you also can see that to confirm, okay, price is already at your first support. This is your first support. This is your first support, okay. Let me remove the, okay, this is your first support, and then I highlight the wick, zoom in, okay, like this, okay. Okay, okay, this is how you find the entry, the sharp entry, okay. And now price move above already, and you still can hold, okay. Okay, sometimes if your indicator you didn't use it, you just double click, hide first, okay, and then you look at your chart. This is entry for the U-franc, okay. Let's just go back to the slide again. Okay, this is what I mean by referencing the higher time frame. Do you guys have any questions so far? All good. Okay. Okay. And then the next slide, which time frame should you use for the day trading, which is I already tell you guys, right? H4 for you to draw support and resistance. And then you go to H1 to see if there is a opportunity for you guys to enter the trade, or you can go to higher lower time frame like M5 or M15 to find the sharp entry. Okay, identifying the momentum, like I say, you can use MACD or you can use RSI, and you can use stochastic. Like I say, I use RSI to help me to find bearish or bullish divergence, and then I use stochastic, which is just now I show you guys, just to help me to see whether the price is overbought or so. Okay, so let's go to practice together. For example, here, let's go to gold. Okay, now gold is on fire. First, you draw your support and resistance first in H4. Okay, this is your resistance. Okay, you can see why I use this level, why I don't draw at this week, or this week. I referencing at this body because this week, because you were to look here, price could not go below, react, okay, and then this become your support, and then break up resistance, and now become your resistance. Sorry, it's your first resistance. Okay, and after that you draw your Fibonacci. Okay, you can see that it's at around 60%. Okay, this is how you do your technical analysis, right? This is 61.8. So in this zone, the potential that price might react off from here, and then you see you can use another let me see. Okay, sorry. Here. Okay, I'll show 78%, which is middle. Okay, so this is the area. This is the zone that you want to sell, which is 1937 to 1940, let's say, because this area we have confluence, so this is 78.6 projection, right? This is projection, and we have 61.8 retracement. And actually this the first time price react to this zone, and then it came down, I think almost 50, more than 50 pip, like, no, it's from here, from like when enter here, okay, from 1938 all the way down to like 19, so I think almost 800 point or 80 pip in gold. That is quite a lot for the scalper, or if you scalp. Okay, so here, so when you see that if you ask me, do I enter sell? Yes, I still enter at this zone because, okay, when we go to the lower time frame, price react here as still, and then this is the zone that we think that price may have potential to come down in 15. Okay, this is, you can see a lot of wick here. Okay, and then this have okay, when you see like that, okay, if you were to trade and demand and supply zone, okay, this is hidden base, whatever you call, you will get the enter, you will get entry at this candle, because usually people will trade, they were using this this is the zone. I'm just telling you guys only, okay, like this is the area on F15, and then you choose from here and then all the way down here. But since prior already used this zone for you trade on demand and supply, we're not going to use that. But we use this zone in H4 because there is a feeble confluent. Okay, it was a zoom. Okay, here. Okay, if you will see like that, you might have to wait because price still can going up. It may go above first resistance. So this is still within a zone. If you were to trade, you may put a few lot here. Okay, and then you go to I even go to like M1. Okay, I just want to see. Okay, if you were to enter, if you were to enter, for example, yeah, this is the zone that I'm going to enter here. You see, I want to find a sharp entry. We'll enter here. Price all the way from down here. I think during the Euro market open, okay, suddenly our goal is all the way down because DXY is already break first support. Okay, I will draw for you guys later. Okay, uh, okay, this is M1. We not scalp. Okay, you just want to tell you how to find a sharp entry. For example, if you meet this trade, okay, I still go to this and then I draw like this because why? This is bearish engulfing. Okay, so I say you can draw like that, and then this is the body. Okay, you can draw like zone like this, and then price come down. Sorry, go up to this zone and then all the way down here. You can see that, right? And then we sell because, like I say in H4, this is the zone that we want to sell, right? We have 78.6 projection and 61.8 retracement around this one, which is resistant in H4. It's just that we go to either M1 or M5 to find the entry. And like I say, when I see like that, I don't see any entry here. Okay, like for example, if this is a very big bullish candle and then you see the red candle here, okay, and then after that you cannot see anything, you just go to the lower time frame. Okay, you see I enter here, just price from here 38 come down 37. It's about 100 point only, or you see 10 pip, and then all the way shoot up. So this is the area you may consider to see. Okay, just watch out this area. If you were to enter now, just usually I don't enter one trade, even like with the higher time frame. Okay, I will just go to low time frame and then I put a few lot there, and then the last order that I want to go, for example, this is the last order I want to go, which is around 1940, which is at a okay, this one 1940, which is my last entry for sale. If price go all the way up to here, okay, and then where is my SL? Again, my SL, usually my SL is either 500 point above. Okay, depend on my lot size, or also depend on your account size as well. How do you pick your pair for the week to trade? Okay. Okay, usually because for IC market, me and my team, we do analysis 18. Okay, you see we do 18 pair. It will do like that, right? And then we will see the potential. Usually, okay, for example here, you definitely we will need to look at the XY first. Like the XY, if you want to trade, usually I will look for the major pair only, which is, okay, let's say if DXY is as support, right? Which is support, we buy from the support, for example. So EU, GU, and go, we're gonna sell. Okay, let's do for the DXY first. Okay, for DXY, price is at your first support. Okay, and then you draw Fibo. Okay, it's around this level. If you want to make a zone, you can just put like this. Okay, this is your zone, right? And actually, okay, you can put like this. And your second support, which is this one, this is your second support. Why you choose this second support? Because there's multiple swing low. Sorry, my eye blur. Okay, when you zoom in, sorry, here. Okay, sometimes doesn't have to be like exact, right? You just mark the support and resistance. You know that around this area, that's price come, like, you know, this week, and then the price could not go below. So you just draw your support and resistance, and then you use the box to highlight this is the zone or the area that you want to watch out for your second support. Okay, and then you see that price came down, I think, and then you can use either Ichimoku crowd, and you can use the stochastic, which is, I told you, I use this to find whether price overbought or oversold. Okay, like this is the area. Okay, price is already oversold. Okay, so it will going to reverse soon. Okay, I use this as my resistance. Okay, you see that. Okay, we move, we go to the lower time frame. Okay, like when you go to the lower time frame, you see that actually when price is entering to this area, which is our support in H1, price already bounce off from here, and after that price is coming down, because I think for the DXY potential might break first support and then continue to second support. So you guys have to you see, you go to the lower time frame like this, right? You don't buy now. Okay, you see price is still, even in M30, price is still red, even though in M15, you see M5, in the M1. Okay, M1, you can see that price slowly touching your first support and then bounce off, but you don't buy now. Okay, you just want to see whether price is react at this area. If you want to buy, you wait for the price in M15, either M15 or M5, make some bullish engulfing, and then you can buy. But now I don't buy. Okay, but if you don't want to make a confirm, you don't wait for the confirmation, you can buy now if you want to. Okay, but to me, wait. I like to wait for the confirmation. Okay, you see, M15, M30. Let me see if there is okay, you see, if you buy, now it's already in the zone. You want to buy, you can. Okay, actually, you buy, you will cut from here to here. But the XY, I think if you look at stochastic, it's already also, like I say, potential price might reverse from this level. Okay, when you look at the XY and then you go to EU, you can see that the XY is at your support, right? EU is as resistance. So we want to sell from here. Okay, here. Okay, we want to sell from here, but just now we say it came out. To me, price already makes buried engulfing. Okay, this is you can sell now. You can sell if you didn't sell from here. You go to the lower time frame. Okay, where you can make a sale in M30. Let's say if the price go up, if you didn't have any order, you wait to sell at this level. If price come, pull back, and then you sell. Okay, because in H4, this candle is really bearish engulfing, and then price is have really weak, and then come from resistance level in H4, which is this the one. This the area we are sell. So if you guys hold the trade, you still can hold. Okay. What entry can we scout go at what TP either sell or buy? Thank you. Okay, this how you can hold. Okay, for H4. Okay, in H1 you can see that price could not go above this level. You just see. Let me see if there is bearish engulfing. Okay. You see in ISI, you can see that there is a bearish engulfing here in sorry, in sorry, in H1. Okay, you can see that. Okay. Okay, do you see? Engulfing, nah? Yeah, sorry, it's bearish. Okay. Sometimes, let's say, if you don't do the big one, you see that you may not see any bearish and sorry divergent here. Sorry, I think I mix up. Okay, you have to double click and then make the big one, and then you see this bearish divergent here in H1. Okay, see, but I don't know how far they can go, but because price is as our resistance in H4. Okay. Okay, just now you can have a go. Like I say, go to me, go if you were to use this as your see here. Just give me a sec, guys. Okay. I zoom to see if like this price may or may not Okay, when you go to H1, okay, you see that price really overbought. And then now it's starting to sell up. You go to H1, sorry, M30. Okay, if you go to M5, you see this is price action already have here, which is this candle here, price action. Okay, you can see. And still, if you look for the lower time frame, either M5 or M15, you can see that price could not make or could not go above like this level for resistance. You still can sell this zone. You still can hold because you know that the stochastic is already overbought. Okay, now price really you see come down. They go from 1938 and now to 1937. If you're scalping 200 to 300 point, I think you can close. But because we are we know that price is come from resistance area in H4. Okay, that's why we still hold the position. Okay, we still hold. Okay, you see in H1 doing good in H1. Okay, M30 that's good side. Price is selling off here. A lot is sell pressure around this zone. Okay, you see M15 sell. Okay, you can see this candle. This candle. You go to the M1. You see M1 is ranging. Okay, ranging at this area. That's the reason why we can hold. This is not scalping, yeah. I just teach you guys this like you know that price ranging in M1, okay, and then price come from H4 resistance. If you scalping, you might close, but I still hold. Okay, you may consider, but again, you can see that price could not go through, go above this zone, which is this is the zone we will look, you know, we will highlight just now. And price come down here and then go up here, and a long wick. Okay, long wick here could not go through, and then all the way down. Okay, you can see M5 doing good now. I don't even use a EMA 100 or 200 for my day trading, because if you were to use EMA 100 and 200, the one for scalping, then you know you may get confused. Okay, so you don't use it if you were to go for the higher time frame. This is how I do my TA, like every day. Yeah, we draw support and resistance, you use Fibonacci, but if you want to find a sharp entry, you go to the lower time frame until you can see price movement, any like structures, any like double top, double bottom in the lower time frame, and then you wait. Okay, and then you buy or you sell at the level. Okay. This is an inverted hammer. Okay, this the one. Price coming down, doing good in M15. You still can hold. Okay, you can see M30 is still doing good as well. This is a good sign. Okay, if you hold the sale, that's a good sign that price is coming down. Stochastic as well. Okay, you can see. Let's say if H4, if end up closing with this is a red one, and then the wick is like up double top like this, and then it's good side that price will drop from this level to all the way down. Okay, if H4 closing with the red candle body with the long wick below and after, or the long or very long big here, and then I think that's a good sign that we hold the sale. And then if you're supposed to sell from here, if you want to sell, let's say 1938, this is the zone that you may consider to close your partial profit. This level, which is 1927, which is around 100 pip. Okay, 100 pip for gold is quite a lot. You see, that is a good sign, you know, in H4. If you see like that, wow, I'm so happy if I'm selling. I'm really happy that it really can close with the red candle. And then your TP is here. Okay, but now because H4 haven't closed, you have to watch out. Okay, your TP is around this area. Okay, if H1 is closed with the very big bearish candle, the body have to longer than this candle. That's a good sign. You just hold. Yeah. I only scout when I have time. Because now I don't have time, so I don't. When I don't work, yeah, I will do scalp like in M1 or M5. But now I'm more to like day trading now, like what I tell you guys. I go to H4, H1, and then I enter at M1 or M5. Okay, I don't use EMA because I use EMA that will be very confusing for me because EMA 100 and 200 for me to scout in M1 or M5, which I only look at H1. So you guys don't get confused. So if you want to do a day trading like myself, you don't use EMA. You can use EMA in a higher time frame, like you just like filter out. For example, like if you know that this is kind of like support at H1 or this is support, this is resistance. Okay, that's why price could not go through. Okay, EMA 200 it act as resistance as this case, and then we have Fibo confluence here 61.8 retracement 78.6 projection. Okay, and this the zone that we highlight just now, and then we go to the lower time frame in M1 to see that price. I don't use this. Okay, price first and what entering here and then all the way down is about almost 800 point or 80 pip here, and after that reverse again. So we highlight and then we sell around this zone. Okay, and then price all the way down now, but then you go to the M5, you'll see that okay, this kind of like price action here, and then price could not go above this box, the back box here. Okay, that's why we still hold. You see, very nice, very nice. Okay, and okay, if cross with the bearish candle, okay, H4 is going to, wow, this very nice. If H4 can close with the red body, okay, that's a good sign. Price is drop at least 1,000 point. Okay, now it's going up. You see, you just have to see, wait for H1 to close. Okay, with see, you can see now, try to sell, and then some of people want to buy at this level, which is okay. Okay, you just wait for the candle to be closed. All right, any question or any questions so far, guys? Okay, here. And then you will ask me where is my second support, right? This is my second support here. Okay, if I were to draw, this is my second support, and this is my in H4, which is this my resistance. Sorry, second. I think I will choose this one. Yep. This is my second support, and this is my second second support and first support, second support. Okay. Okay, guys. If you guys don't have any question, I think I'm going to end the webinar for today. Okay. Before I end the webinars, I would like you guys to vote for this webinar. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Desiree. Yeah, just hit me vote if you like this webinars. Because sometimes if but if you guys trade a full time like me, and then you may you know, slowly kind of do a top down analysis, H4 H1, even though, you know, I show you guys, I really go to like M1, just want to see, you know, how is the price react. Okay, like any structures I can enter the trade. Okay, now for gold is price is try to come down, and then it reverse up again, but still within our zone, which is around 1940 to 1937. Yeah, around this zone. If you want to sell, yeah, you can, and you just hold your trade. Okay, I still hold my trade though. And tonight, do we have the um news? Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay, because I'm based in Singapore, I just filter out my Singapore time. Okay, so tonight we don't have a news, a big news for the USD, but tomorrow we do have. Okay, tomorrow we do have a CPI, which is at 8:30 p.m. Singapore time. Yeah, tomorrow, I think tomorrow we have quite important news, the major news for USD, GBP, AU, NZD. Tomorrow we have very, very big news. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for um joining. I hope to see you guys again, maybe next section. Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye. Okay. That's really, yeah. Do you think that scalping suit you better, and then you learn? Okay. You just try my strategy like EMA 100 and 200, but you need to master it. You need to practice, and then you will master it. Because if I tell you guys and then you guys don't practice, or you need like enter when the price at EMA 100 or 200, and then you may lose the money. You must study, and then you do a back trading. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye for now.